How to get Wayfair working promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. And today in this instructional video presentation, I'll guide you through the most effective Wayfair promotional codes. Initially, I will introduce you to the top 3 platforms featuring the finest promo codes, and additionally, I will enable a method for discovering a plethora of the promo codes independently. In order to begin, the primary website is gq.com, showcasing a diverse array of the coupon codes such as 15% off, 10% off, 70% off, $25 off, $50 off, $100 off, and more. By selecting the Show Coupon option, a window will reveal the code, prompting you to activate the offer. And similarly, you can go there and copy the code. And the website number 2, Wayfair itself sporadically releases the personalized coupon codes to everyone, including perks like free shipping and orders exceeding $35 and discounts up to 70%. By simply entering your email and signing up, you will receive notifications on exclusive deals and saving opportunities. Lastly, the third website is Los Angeles Times, boasts 17 coupon offers and 50 deals. Offers function as direct links to discounted products, while coupon codes can be copied by clicking on View Coupon option. And for an extensive collection of Wayfair promo codes, a quick Google search for the Wayfair promo codes will lead you to the numerous platforms offering these valuable discounts. These are the premium Wayfair promo codes that I have curated for you. If you found this video to be helpful, do show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you for tuning in.